we're taking the 2025 BYD Sea Lion. I think this is it right here. Got their slick design on it, same just like the Porsche Macan. Let's check the BYD. Here's the rim. Size is 235/50 R13 tires. This is got the charger. Right there. Let's check out the underneath on it. Looks very nice. Love the design on it. Check out the interior. Got your controls right here, lock and unlock, power windows. This one is for the trunk. Got your infinity speakers. Here's the pedals. Got your headlight adjuster. Here's inside. It's charging. It has a hybrid on it. Hybrid means gas. It has gas and electric. Also a combustion engine on it. Got your controls right here. The steering wheel. You can rotate this. Just press this one. Oh, nice. Got your I think this is a cruise control. I think your bunch of controls right here. Lane departure. Got your airbag. Accept calls. Volume rockers. Also your mode and your
I'm listening.
Hi BYD.
I'm here.
Okay, just turn it off. Got your headlight. Wow. Got your air conditioning, aircon, your wireless charger. This is your transmission, your stop, EV and hybrid electric vehicle, auto hold, traction control, your hazard, and your modes, and your electronic park brake, your controls for the air conditioning, cup holders. Yeah, well, a deep got your linings. Muff lights. Here's for your sunroof. press it again. This one is for the other one. Nice. Let's check out the interior. Also, you have your controls at your recliner. I think this is your recliner. From the back, got your pocket. Got your air conditioning. Got your charging. Your pocket, small pocket. Here's the front cabin of the 2025 BYD Lion 6 DMI. Love the stitching right there. Wow, especially that color right there. Same as well. Also, you have your cup holders. You pull it down because it's still brand new. It has a ventilated seats. Ganda. Your chrome. And also a forward and backward. Let's hop in. Let's cover with a sunroof. Wow, got their settings right there, bunch of home buttons, Spotify, and navigation. Okay. Got your pockets right there. Wow. on it. Can you pull this? Speakers. Should I lock this and press this one? Okay. Itong mga features, navigation.
Yeah.
Tapos, okay.
Sorry, features. Ano mga feature? Yeah, of course, this is rotating. Yung features ng infotainment ni BYD. It's rotating. And also, ano ba meron dito? Nandito lahat ng control. Like, you need to go to, yan, eto tinatawag na,
parang
yan,
unique feature po yan, sir. It's not,
this is for sila yung 6 lang. Magkakaiba sila actually. Depende yan kung anong variant o anong model. Can you edit mo yun? Yeah, sila yung 6 meron siyang ventilated seats, no? Like pwedeng yang heat. Meron heat ventilation. Meron din siyang cold yan. Yan meron yan. Of course, passenger meron din tayo yan. And meron din tayong cold. Yan. Kung nasa biyahe ka, pinapawisan yung likod mo, you can 1 and 2, yan yung cold ventilation niya. Pagkatapos, ayan, of course, yan yung energy niya, no?
Energy.
Andiyan ang SOC, ang tawag niya is state of charge. Yan state of charge. Yan yung state of charge, yan yung baterya, yung percentage kung saan makikick in yung ice natin para mag-charge sa battery. Yan, nasa sa'yo yan kung saan gusto ilagay, no? Pwede siya mag-kick in on 52% or yan ang default ng sasakyan. And also, eto naman ang regenerative braking. Meron tayong standard and high. Yan yung nagre-regenerate ng power to battery pag nagmi-minor ka o nagbibitaw ka ng acceleration pedal. Yan. Tapos andyan ang mga ADAS natin. Of course, some safety assistance.
For what purpose po yan, sir? For anong purpose po nung? Para makakatulong
naman. Like yung mga safety features, lalo na sa mga new drivers ngayon, yung mga kabataan na nagmamaneho.
Mga Gen Z.
Yeah,
yes,
exactly.
yes.
Yun yung makakatulong sa kanila para ma-prevent kung ano man yung maaari maging aksidente. Like, meron tayong, mga forward collision warning, yung mga warning sa harapan natin, yan. Lalo na itong automatic emergency braking yan. For example, may biglang tumawid, no, while you're cruising. Automatic siyang mag-stop. The car will brake for you. Titigil siyang pusa kung may dadaan bigla or tatawid na bigla.
So that's the purpose of this.
Yeah, speed attention, nandiyan lahat. Parking assist, of course, napaka-importante niyan. Dahil, yung camera na yan. These cameras help a lot. Ayan, nakakatulong sa mga driver natin, lalo sa gabi. Kung ano yung nakikita mo yun dyan, kung gaano kalinaw yan, like ngayon maaraw or maliwanag, kahit sa gabi, ganyan pa rin ang vision mo with the outside ng kuha ng camera. Ano pa ba? Wait. Ano lang, sir? Yeah, meron siyang
hill descent control.
Yeah, hill descent control. Yeah.
Kasi ang ano ko lang po na mga alam na features, traction control, crumple zones, airbags, ABS, something like that.
Ayan, yan naman ang natin yan. Yung steering wheel natin, meron siyang steering assist mode, meron siyang Pwede siyang malambot, pwede siyang yung
bunch of features.
Actually, nandito lahat
Yeah,
nandito na lahat na kailangan mo. Yan. Auto fold.
Tsaka sinasabi po nila dito, sir, parang ito daw po yung Chinese Porsche Macan daw po. Kasi kamukha daw po ng Macan eh.
Yes, kasi kaya ganun yan kasi designers ng BYD are from are from Europe. Yung mga ang mostly nag-design nito ay galing doon sa lugar na yun. So talagang magiging design yan. Siyempre, kukunin nila sa konsepto nila, di ba? Yun naman yan eh. Siyempre kung taga saan ka, yung ano yung produkto mo, yung konsepto mo magagaling doon. Ganun yun, sir.
Light. Any colors.
Yeah.
Can do.
So, andito lahat. Actually, ito ang utak, ito ang puso ng sasakyan nila. Lahat ng BYD vehicles, andito siya. Ayan, nandito siya. Lahat ng gusto mo malaman, andito siya. System, andyan lahat siya. Wala ka nang hanapin pa. Bibihira ka makakita dito ng hard copy ng manual. Lahat andito na. Dito mo siya makikita. Lahat nandito. And also, ito maganda dito, no? Diba, bored ka, nasa parking ka, you can watch YouTube. All you have to do is connect these two and connect to what?
Okay. Okay.
This is covered, yan. Kataan dito, sa lugar na to, is a 1.5 generator natin, the eyes, andito siya, and also nandito yung mga component niya to charge the battery.
Parang it's all naman engine cover siya.
Yeah. This is cover lang naman. Bubuksan lang siya for PMS of course. Pero ito lang naman yung design na ganito eh.
Ayun lang po naman.
Among BYD.
Pero ang ganda tingnan po.
Maganda talaga siya. BYD.
Tsaka ano siya, yung hood po niya parang ano na rin, yung parang wala na pong yung stick dito.
Ano siya?
What engine is this, sir, again?
This is a 1500 generator, 1.5 na generator.
Synchronous transmission. Synchronous
Pagdating sa technical.
Action.
Of course, ang maganda dito, no? This is actually yung tawag naman ng BYD dito is dual motor intelligent. This is hybrid, of course, but hindi hybrid na namin tinatawag ito. We call this dual motor intelligence.
Dual motor intelligence.
In full battery, full charge ng battery, full tank ng gasoline, you can run up to 1,175 kilometers. This vehicle has a 60 liters gasoline tank. Yun. Maganda rito sa features nito, kaya tinatawag na dual motor intelligent. You can drive this like ito na lang. Ito. Yan. EV means you can use the vehicle up to the certain kilometer, depende sa variant. Like to, the Sea Lion 6, no? Pwede mo siyang gamitin ng 105 kilometers kung puno ang battery mo ng 100%. Yun ang maganda sa kanya. And after, kalba, like for example, you're from Quezon City, ang office mo is in Makati, you can use the vehicle going to work, then work to home, just using the battery alone. Hindi na kailangan umandar pa, mag-kick in pa yung eyes natin to charge the battery because the battery alone can bring you to and from your office. Dahil kaya niya tumakbo ng 105 kilometers. Yun ang isang advantage ng dual motor intelligent. Halimbawa, pupunta ka, like for example, nearby provinces, no? Pero ito nga pala, no, basta cruising lang siya, small run lang, talagang baterya lang ang nagpapatakbo sa kanya. When meron kasing tinatawag tayo na percentage nga, ito nga yung SOC niya, state of charge. It is here. Ayan. Halimbawa, nandito yan sa, let's say 50% na nag-cruise ka rito, na nag-cruise ka sa halimbawa sa EDSA, nasa 50% ka. Kaya automatic yan mag-kick in, the eyes will kick in to charge the battery. Yun ang maganda sa kanya. Halimbawa, naka-EV ka, mababa na yung percentage mo, automatic naman siya eh. You need not to worry to change the toggle switch all the time kung pumunta ka ng EV or hybrid. Ang isa pa maganda dyan, halimbawa, nasa high speed ka, no? High speed, kailangan mo ng power, kailangan mo umapak sa pedal, kailangan mo mag-overtake, kailangan mo ng mas maraming kuryente. Yung generator natin, the eyes, is helping the motor to run. Nagdidirect siya ng kuryente doon habang nagcha-charge ng baterya. So tinutulungan niya si battery to run the vehicle. Hindi siya nagpo-propel ng hindi siya nagpo-propel ng sasakyan sarili niya.
Yes.
Got it, no? Hindi siya ganoon. Parang ang tawag doon parallel. Yun yung maganda sa kanya.
Pero ito daw po yung best selling
yes, this
unit.
Is the best selling ngayon dahil ito yung busog na busog to, kumbaga sa chick kartata just to ito yung pinakamagandang kalidad na kumbaga sa kasi nandito na lahat. Meron siyang ito, wala sa iba to high BYD
Here.
open sunroof. Yan. Ito kasi may voice command, yun ang maganda sa kanya, yung mga voice command niya. Ano pa ba?
Currently not muted. No media is playing.
Marami talaga. Everything is screen.
I don't know this yet.
Saka ito, yung wireless charging, of course.
Yes.
Hindi lahat ng model may available ng wireless charging.
Tsaka meron din po sa ilalim. Meron din po.
Out of the natin, charging na natin.
Thank you so much, sir.
Pasensya ka na. Buti na ako nga.
Yes, sir, for your time.
Sir Rohan.
Sir Rohan po.
Sige, alright.
Thank you pa.
Bye.